Welcome, students. In this video lecture we will talk about game plan, how to plan your game. This can be your learning game project or some other game project or some kind of commercial video game. In all situations, game plan can be same. We have our game, turn-based, point-click game, and we solved many things in this game, like game mechanic, which are turn-based, so you have some kind of action points. If you spend these action points, your character need to go in another period of time or another turn, and then you again have action points for movement. And now let's talk about game planning. For any kind of video game plan, you first need to complete one playable game scene. This can be level in game or a game scene in 2D or 3D games. This first scene need to be completely playable, like you are in a real video game with all elements. This means to create all important game elements for playing. And not so important, to add introduction or introduction video, menu, main menu, and some kind of audio effects and music. For playable game scene, you need character. In our situation, we have some kind of 2D character. This can be other kind of character, but character is first thing you need to create, and all other things for character. For example, movements or some kind of abilities. After that, you need to create complete background. Background are not only graphics. This is some part of codes also to enable your all background elements to work. This can be some kind of items in a scene, etc. And other thing is playability. Playability is your ability to code good game mechanic. And this will be good introduction for your game planning. In next lecture, we will continue with the coding and adding graphics according to our game plan. Have a good day and goodbye.